In this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube TV with two VPN products, NordVPN and ExpressVPN. But first, let me show you how YouTube TV typically reacts when you are using a VPN connection. First, I will illustrate that I'm connecting to NordVPN in the United States. NordVPN will find the fastest server and it will connect to it. Now you see that I am connected to a server in the United States, and now I'm going to bring up YouTube TV. To go to YouTube TV in your browser, you just type tv.youtube.com and hit enter. And unfortunately, this is the message that you will see with the majority of VPN products. It will say VPN proxy detected. To continue, you need to turn your VPN connection off. This is very frustrating for those of us who like to have our VPN on all the time. So I'm going to show you how you can use NordVPN and or ExpressVPN with YouTube TV and do it successfully. So I'm going to return to NordVPN and put in a connection that I know works. As you see, I am now connected to a different server that I know works. I apologize for not showing the number, but that's something you're going to have to discover through trial and error. If I share it with all of you, everybody will use it, and it will get blocked before I can say, I want to go watch 2.5 Men. Now I'm going to return to YouTube TV, and all I'm going to do is hit F5 to refresh my screen. And look at that. I now have YouTube TV working on NordVPN. Now let's illustrate the same scenario with ExpressVPN. As you can see, I've just connected to ExpressVPN, and they have what's called a smart location, which put me in Miami. Now I will go over to YouTube TV and see if their default VPN connection works with YouTube TV, which it probably won't. Here I am on YouTube TV, and I'm just going to hit F5 to refresh my screen. And as you can see, again, with the default VPN connection with ExpressVPN, I get the proxy detected message and I can't use YouTube TV. But not to fear, there are connections that work with ExpressVPN as well. Let me show you. As you can see, I've now connected to another ExpressVPN location. Again, I have to hide it because everybody needs to find their own. So now let's go back to YouTube TV and verify that this connection through ExpressVPN is functioning. So we're back at the YouTube TV site, and I'm just going to do a refresh by hitting F5 to see if our new VPN connection allows us to use YouTube TV. And voila, we now have YouTube TV working with ExpressVPN. So as you can see, YouTube TV does work with VPNs, specifically NordVPN and ExpressVPN. To read more about this issue, follow the link below. Also, subscribe to our channel if you'd like. I hope you found this video useful and come back often.